lost in the forest?
Yeah. Well, when no one except well, yeah, so, if you can't really
Well, there's my holes. Hopefully I drilled them in the right places.
Yeah, the bucket should be coming down.
It's all under control. No problem.
Hey, is the bucket touching the floor? Is the bucket on the floor? All right.
Oh, that's gotta be close to where it's gotta be.
Jaimie does not want to play.
Ooh, like 2 feet to spare. Yes! Oh, yeah. Oh, that's so great. Oh, I better get something on there before it comes out. Oh, that was excellent. Alright, that's pretty solid. Made a quick spacer. The bolt's a little too long. Alright, next hole. Oh, I see the edge of it. Oh, 2 in. I'm in like a safe zone. Oh, this would be a piece of cake. Wow. That went unexpectedly smoothly.
Now we make the wall.
Can't believe those holes lined up. The rope is loose! Haha, they're still up there. Oh, I need to go get my wrench. Those two should pick up the evening sun. 670 watts right there. I'll get 2 on the morning side and then a couple more somewhere else. I was not sure that was going to happen today. Oh, this side's going to be harder because the ground is much lower over here. Maybe the chickens can help. Can you guys help, chickens? Think they could carry a solar panel up there flying? So I'm putting those facing like at such an angle to get the evening sun, and I'll do the same for the morning sun. Because right now our solar panels are pretty close to flat. They're actually angled, but not the right direction. And like high noon, we get tons of electricity. And in the morning and the evening, we don't get nearly as much. So this should help even out the spread a little.